Hello. I will recommend exchanges that are essential for those who are just starting out in cryptocurrency investment, and let's take a look at the advantages of each exchange. To trade cryptocurrency, you must register with the exchange. I would recommend 4 exchanges. Register an account on one of our recommended exchanges, get verified, and start trading from your smart device or desktop. When you first start investing in coins, the very important thing to consider is you must carefully study the exchange and decide. The most important thing is whether the exchange I choose is a place where real name accounts are linked. You should also find out if you are connected to a reputable bank, how much is the transaction fee, and if there are any additional benefits. You must compare and choose whether there is a safe and better investment environment for your investment funds. These are the 4 exchanges I recommend: FTX, Bybit, Binance, Phemex. The biggest advantage of FTX is that the benefits are very good for loyal customers on the FTX exchange. If we look at this benefit, it has a tiered fee structure in which the higher the transaction volume for 30 days, the lower the fee. Differential fee benefits are applied according to the holding, fixed quantity of FTT coin, the governance coin of the FTX exchange. In addition, if you are holding, fixing, more than 500 FTT coins, you will receive 3 Serum coins every week as airdrops, and an EO ticket is given, which gives loyal customers of the FTX exchange the right to purchase a newly listed coin before it is listed. There are several additional benefits when staking FTT coins apart from holding, fixed. If only 25 tokens, the dedicated exchange token FTT, are staked, the limit will be 0%. Also, if you click more in the description of this video and sign up through the link displayed, you can get a 5.0% discount on transaction fees. Be sure to get a fee discount. The advantage of Bybit exchange is that it is specialized in a mobile interface and is one of the major exchanges with high trading volume. Most exchanges pay the same or slightly less limit fee for limit market orders. However, Bybit does not pay a commission when placing an order at the limit, but rather gets it back. If you set a limit and trade, you can trade while receiving money rather than paying a fee. Stop-loss limit order is possible. Stop-loss means automatic sales at the price you want. If you set it when you are unable to respond, such as at night or dawn, you can prepare for a sudden drop in large fluctuations. The funding cost is low. What is funding cost? This is the fee you pay when you trade futures or margin trading. Because the system server is stable, there are few errors and safe trading is possible. Also, if you sign up through the link that appears when you click more in the description of this video, a 20% discount on transaction fees and 20% payback of total transaction fees are applied. Don't miss out on commission discounts and paybacks. Binance Exchange ranks first in Global Confidence Index, spot trading volume, and futures trading volume. It has a higher reliability index than other exchanges because it can safely store cryptocurrency assets. Deposit and withdrawal transactions are also possible through Bitcoin and Tether, USDT. With up to 125x leverage, you can trade futures in a bull market or a bear market. You can trade more than 300 types of coins. Even if you don't trade, you can earn money by depositing dollars, staking, and launch pools. Split purchase is possible with the launch of stock tokens. Through an intuitive interface, you can easily understand the changes in virtual currency. Also, if you click more in the description of this video, you will receive a 20% discount on transaction fees if you sign up through the link that appears. Don't miss out on the commission discount. Phemex has made a name for itself with a surge in futures trading volume. It supports spot and futures trading and can leverage up to 100 times. Phemex has now obtained a worldwide legal license, so there has been no hacking incident with excellent security along with legal compliance. The daily trading volume is between $6 and $10 billion, which is a large scale. In addition, based on 7-day lockup, we provide a high interest rate of 3% for Bitcoin and 20% for USDT per year. You can first invest in a newly listed coin project called Launchpad. It is a good product to invest in, aiming for an initial price increase. In addition, a video manual is provided to help beginners use it. Also, if you sign up through the link that appears when you click more in the description of this video, you will receive a 20% discount on transaction fees plus up to $180 bonus event. Don't miss out on commission discounts and bonuses.